Mastering Play Store Updates, a step-by-step tutorial for Android users. Updating Play Store and apps on your Android device is essential to ensure that you have the latest features, bug fixes, and security patches. Here is a step-by-step guide to updating the Play Store and apps on Android. Number 1. Open the Google Play Store. Locate the Play Store app on your Android device home screen or app drawer and tap to open it. Number 2. Access the menu. Once the Play Store is open, you will typically see 3 horizontal lines, hamburger menu, in the top left corner of the screen. Tap on it to access the menu. Number 3. Navigate to My Apps and Games. In the menu, you'll find various options. Look for My Apps and Games and tap on it. This option allows you to manage and update the apps installed on your device. Number 4. Check for updates. Once you are in the My Apps and Games section, you will see 2 tabs at the top, Updates and Installed. Tap on the Updates tab. This will display a list of apps that have available updates. Number 5. Update all apps. If you want to update all the apps at once, you can tap on the Update All button at the top of the list. This will initiate the update process for all apps with available updates. Number 6. Update individual apps. If you prefer to update specific apps, scroll through the list and find the app you want to update. If an update is available for that app, you will see an update button next to it. Tap on the update button for each app you want to update individually. Number 7. Review app permissions. Optional. When updating apps, you may be prompted to review and accept any new permissions required by the updated version. Review these permissions to ensure you are comfortable with them. Then proceed with the update. Number 8. Wait for updates to download and install. Once you have initiated the updates, the Play Store will begin downloading and installing the latest versions of the selected apps. The time it takes depends on the size of the updates and your internet connection speed. Number 9. Restart apps optional. After the updates are installed, you can either open each updated app individually to use the latest version or restart your device to ensure all apps are running the updated versions. Number 10. Check for Play Store updates. Optional. Occasionally, Google Play Store itself receives updates. To ensure you have the latest version of the Play Store, you can go back to the Play Store's menu, tap on Settings, and then tap on Play Store version. If an update is available, you'll be prompted to download and install it. If you ever need to update again, simply follow these steps and you'll be all set. Now go ahead and enjoy the latest features and improvements. If you enjoyed what you watched, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Remember, your feedback drives the direction of this channel, so feel free to leave your thoughts and suggestions in the comments below. Until next time, stay inspired, stay curious, and keep chasing your dreams. Thank you again for being a part of this amazing community. Take care and see you in the next video.